My name is Austin Alanak. I'm the executive director of Kello Inclusive.
And my name is Katie McMillan, and I'm the director of operations at Kello Inclusive. Kello Inclusive is a not-for-profit talent and media company that exclusively represents and works with and advocates for the disabled community in Edmonton, in Alberta, and across Canada.
We applied for the community fund in 2022, and we were successful and received $5,000 to support our project. The fund has been just so helpful to Kello. We were a young company at the time, but we really believed in what we were doing. So we put in a submission through the fund to essentially be able to break down some barriers and get some disabled people into the entertainment industry. And so what that means is essentially, in this case, it was helping with photo shoots and helping with training opportunities. And it was really helpful for us and also for our talent and our growing roster.
Yeah, you can sort of talk about the concept of normalizing disability in media, having it be associated with things that it isn't traditionally associated with, like, when we see disability, often it's associated with tragedy or, pulling at the heartstrings. And what we wanted to try to change was associating things with, being professional and trendy and cool and, on brand and that sort of thing. And you can talk about it, but it drives the point home when you see professional images of people with disabilities. So we really wanted to get the ball rolling by, creating a library of images that portray disability in that way. And the funding from Field Law was really integral in helping us to do that. Our business is to book work for people with disabilities, and Field Law money, we were able to build portfolios and build training capacity, which led to booking work for our talent. So it was a very direct relationship.
From the headshot sessions that we had done, we've had people go on to book work because they now have a portfolio that's set up, and we can really market them to the industry. And there's some really big success stories. There's just such a huge measurable difference that comes from this acting training that we were able to do. It was a relatively small group, and from that group, we've had them book work on commercials with organizations like Edmonton and Travel Alberta, but also, one of our talent, she went to Vancouver to do a campaign with Walgreens. And also then I guess also Emmy was in that group as well, and we just booked her on a Hallmark movie where she traveled to Winnipeg to be, third on the cast list. We're a relatively new agency, and I guess we still are, but so we were looking for these opportunities. This was something that seemed accessible to us, and it seemed like what the work that we're doing really aligned with what Field Law is looking for. So the application process I thought was great. We actually thought it was kind of fun. It was a good excuse to be able to rally our community around us to vote for it. So yeah, only good things to say about the application process.
Yeah, it was pretty streamlined, and the questions for us were really straightforward to answer. It didn't take a lot of mental jumping jacks because we were really aligned with the goals of the community fund. Anything anyone can do to connect with us in order to help our mission to normalize disability in media is appropriate, it's appreciated, it's encouraged. Yeah, we would love it.